In this tutorial, I'll show you how to lock your Facebook profile without the lock profile option. Tap on the three-dash menu at the top right corner of the Facebook app. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Navigate to Audience and Visibility. Select Followers and Public Content, and then ensure all default audiences are set to Friends. Change any settings that are set to Public or Friends. Go back to Audience and Visibility. Select Profile and Tag In, and make sure all options are set to Friends or Only Me. Change my settings that are set to Public. Go to your homepage and click on your profile icon. Tap on the three dots next to View Tools or Add Story. If you have Professional mode turned on, turn it off. This can be one reason why the Lock Profile option isn't available. Refresh your profile page and tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. You should now see the Lock Profile option. Tap on Lock Profile and follow the prompts to lock your profile. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.